KGY Industrial Axial Fan, the beating heart of factory ventilation. Have you ever considered the air within industrial environments? Deep inside factories, pollutant, heat, and humidity can endanger workers' health while also reducing the efficiency and lifespan of machinery. The solution is the ECOFAN Industrial Exhaust Fan by KGY. The modern ECOFAN axial fan generates powerful airflow and is engineered for super performance, even under demanding conditions. Its construction utilizes high-quality components and materials, significantly enhancing durability and service life. The fan's engineered design ensures uniform air distribution, delivering highly effective ventilation for industrial spaces. What makes ECOFAN special? A butterfly damper with a smooth operating fail-safe mechanism, optimized motor placement for higher efficiency and greater static pressure, radial guide vanes for increased air projection, compatibility with industrial automation systems, and aerodynamically and precision-engineered impeller for boosted airflow. Quiet, vibration-free operation with minimal maintenance requirements. It is also backed by a 36-month warranty and 10 years of after-sales service. The ECOFAN is available in two models, direct drive and belt-driven, across a range of sizes. From large factories to poultry farms, greenhouses, and warehouses, ECOFAN is the reliable choice for any industrial or semi-industrial space. For a free consultation, to select the most suitable model, or to purchase directly from the manufacturer, contact the experts at KGY today. We've got you covered.